Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. Hindi ba April na? Second quarter na ng taon. Time really flies. And magdadalang buwan na rin itong channel. So gusto mong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno YouTube channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin by subscribing para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. And comment na rin, lalo na kapag nag-resonate. Okay, so bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from this deck that will be the overall energy of your week with regards to your love situation. Okay. Let's interpret natin siya further with the other deck. First card, Nine of Swords. Second card, Five of Cups. Third card, Two of Swords. Okay. Alright. This week won't be an easy week for you, Capricorn. Okay. There's a lot of regret. Okay, as shown here by the Nine of Swords. Medyo stressed over an issue between you and your person. Meron ding pag-overthink na nagaganap dahil sa isang conflict. Okay? And shown here by the Five of Cups that you're not happy. Because Five of Cards is a card of sadness and also regret. So, double regret. So, may mga regrets kayo na mas, magsisurface siya this week with regards to your person and the relationship. And as shown here by the Two of Swords, there's a choice, a difficult choice na kailangan yung gawin about this connection. Okay. I'm reading what the cards show. Okay. So, in-interpret ko lang kung ano yung lumabas na card. Kaya, kung hindi siya nag-resonate, diba? Just leave it behind. And if nag-resonate, then, just continue until the end. Okay, kasi nakaka-receive ako ng mga comments na parang, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. Okay, again, I'm just interpreting ano yung lumalabas sa cards and I don't manipulate the reading to suit someone's preferences sa kanilang reading. Okay? Kasi hindi ganun ang tarot. Whatever, kung anong lumabas, then you have to interpret it. Okay? So, this one is not really a happy overall energy. Diba? It's full of regret. But I guess it will help para to guide you ano yung mga kailangan yung gawin. If, again, this reading resonates. So, may mga, again, yung overall energies, may mga regrets na magsasurface this week with regards to connection that will lead to a difficult choice with regards to the connection in your person. Okay? So, interpret natin bakit ito yung lumabas na overall energy. At habang binabalasa ko to again, this is a reminder that This is a collective reading, not a personal, private reading na naka-align sa inyo mismo. So, marami akong energy na nasasagap. So, kaya, this may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay, so kung hindi siya nag-resonate, just leave it behind. Kung nag-resonate naman siya, yeah. So, use the reading with discernment. Okay. And sa mga hindi nag-resonate, abangan nyo nila yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos. Baka isa doon ay mag-connect sa inyo. Diba? Kasi ang tarot reading naman talaga, saka oracle reading are timeless. Okay, sige, bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this. Ayan, alamin natin bakit ito yung lumabas na overall energy. Okay. Two of Wands. Okay, Four of Pentacles. Third card. Five of Swords. Okay. Medyo fourth card, Queen of Swords. Fifth card, the Hermit. Sixth card, Nine of Swords. Nag-double confirm lang yung Nine of Swords. So, again, this is something na you need to work on. Ayan. See, the Devil. Five of Wands. The Fool. Okay. And Eight of Cups. Alright. Bottom of the deck, Two of Pentacles. Okay, so this is the energy you don't see coming. But, yeah, nasa energy nyo siya. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Virgo, an Aries, and Aquarius, and a fellow Capricorn. So, pwedeng ito yung signs nila, but doesn't have to. Ito lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung placements ng kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka yun yung mga signs on those placements. Okay, so yeah, nag naman siya dito. Para na detalye lang naman dito yung energy, overall energy. So, Two of Wands, and then and sa Eight of Cups. So, there's really a decision that you need to do when it comes to this connection. I think may mga expectations ka na hindi nangyari when it comes to the connection or the relationship between you and your person. May mga expectation ka or meron din mga pina-expect sa'yo, gets? Meaning, may mga pangako, may mga sinabi, may mga promises na hindi natupad, hindi nagawa. Parang nasulat lang sa tubig. Wala na. Na yung person mo na you've been waiting na mangyari. Okay? And may mga parang kulang nga. So, pwedeng yung person mo kasi is like emotionally detached. Pwedeng yung person mo is uh, kahit bare minimum, hindi mabigay. Okay? And that's why meron kang desire to ask for more or want more from this relationship. And there's really a decision of whether to stay or let go the moment. Kasi, yun nga, lumabas si Two of Wands, tapos, nandito pa si Four of Pentacles na your person is, meron siyang avoidant tendencies. Tapos, may pagka-possessive and seloso pa, or selosa. Diba? Parang, may mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan pagsilosan pero pinagsaselosan. Kasi meron siyang possessive ness towards you. And it's causing some conflict between you and your person kasi wala naman dapat pagselosan pero nagsiselos, wala naman dapat issue pero nagkaka-issue, tapos may avoidant tendencies pa siya. So alam mo yun, may mga bagay na dapat ginagawa niya or accountable siya sa relationship pero wali. So itong si Five of Swords kasi is really about, yun, may nagkaroon ng conflict and it's a card of parang red flags, maraming red flags itong person mo. And dito nakikita ko sa Queen of Swords that you're about to be firm or i-up yung boundaries mo. Okay, parang tama na. Ito na yung mga non-negotiables ko. Ito yung boundaries ko. I have to really impose kung ano yung mga boundaries ko kasi ako na yung lugi sa relasyon. Parang ganun yung energy. That's why magkakaroon ng need for space between you and your person. Okay? Kasi talagang parang the more you're with this person, 'di ba? The more na nasi-stress ka, 'di ba? The more na nagiging anxious ka. Okay? So you would require space and to process everything na nangyayari. Kasi nag-double confirm lang si Nine of Swords here that this connection is really something na causing some stress in your life. Some more lumabas si Devil. So I really can see that this person is yung tao na medyo manipulative, full of pessimism, very nega, okay, very toxic. And it's really causing them, nagtapat pa yung Five of Swords and Five of Wands. 5-5. So, si Five of Wands is have the same energy with the Five of Swords. Pero, like, it's more on the incompatibilities. Diba, may mga red flag siya, causing and resulting to some incompatibilities between the two of you. And this will lead to you parang wanting a fresh start for yourself. Not with this person, maybe a fresh start na okay, single muna ako, diba? So it's a new phase sa life mo na tama na to. And lumabas pa si Eight of Cups and I can see that you want to walk away na talaga and let go of this toxic relationship. Alright? So, tapos yung energy pa na you don't see coming is Two of Pentacles, which is, again, making the right choice. Ito naman, lumabas si Two dito, Two of Swords dito, si Two of Pentacles, saka Two of Wands. So, there's really a decision that you have to do. A decision for yourself. A decision na would change your life din naman. Diba? So, kung tama na, papagod ka na rin. And this is too toxic na. Nakikita ko talaga dito. Kahit ako nag-cringe. Medyo toxic itong person na to. Hindi pala medyo, toxic itong person na to. So, yeah, if nag-resonate sa inyo tong reading na to, again, use this with discernment. Use this reading with discernment. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, again, if you're not in this situation, leave this behind. I know bashing on this channel kasi positive vibes only. Good vibes lang tayo. I'm just reading again what the cards are showing. Diba? Alangan man baguhin ko yung interpretation dito. Sabihin kong masaya kayo kasi hindi naman yung lumalabas na energy. Okay, so before I close this reading, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo. Buksan natin siya. Isang card on this. And what the universe wants you to do. So, diba, ambition. Ambition is like, ano yung gusto mo mangyari din? Diba pag may ambition ka, yun yung goal mo. At gagawin mo siya sa abot ng iyong makakaya with all your might. So, sinasabi niya na, alam mo naman kung ano yung gusto mo talaga sa sarili mo. To be free from stress, from trauma, from toxicity, from negativity. Then, alam mo na kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay, so maraming salamat. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo, Kid Hits. Ingat!